ball prick.
Yeah, this is funny.
Hello, lads.
How you doing?
Very well. Are you over 18?
Yeah.
Yeah. As in, is that no? I'm not really, but I'll say I am.
18. We're 18.
I am.
We go to college.
Fair enough. Did you know you're religious?
Huh?
Yeah.
What's your religion?
Christian.
Nah, that's not what I mean.
What?
Do you believe that there's men in space?
Men in space.
No.
Yeah. There is the International Space Station.
Right. Nah, that's
Yeah.
your religion. That's called heliocentrism.
Hold on. Wait. You're telling? Wait. Say that again.
That's your religion. It's called heliocentrism.
Don't see this guy. He looks like an intellectual. Wait. Say that again. No, because I'm
I love it. I want to hear it. He looks like an intellectual.
I'm proving wrong. Okay. Wait. So say that again. I'm a what?
So you said ISS, right?
Yeah.
No, that's a religion. In your religion, you believe...
How is that religion?
Because you believe that...
Religion... Sorry. I'm sorry.
That's
Religion is beliefs, yeah? Whereas what I just said is a fact.
Oh, when did you go?
No, there's not... We know it's there. There's documents, there's video footage, no?
So when did you go again?
When did I go to international? I haven't been, but I know
it's just a belief then.
I know it's there.
You know, okay, like people who are really into their beliefs that know when they haven't been.
This guy looks like a streamer.
I'm not an extremist. I'll tell you why it's fake if you want.
No, but listen. Okay, how's it religion then? How's it religion?
Okay, you breathing right now. You're breathing gas.
Yeah.
Right. It's at high pressure, right? 14.7 psi is the gas you're breathing, right?
I mean, sure.
Right. So you understand that gas is a high pressure entity of unbonded particles, right? And you're breathing it.
Yeah.
If the sky was a vacuum,
okay,
what would happen to all that high pressure gas?
let me tell you a little sign called gravity.
Gravity?
Gravity keeps the gas in, right?
No, gas goes up from the ground.
Gravity, the atmosphere is held in by gravity, no?
No, gas comes from the ground and goes up.
Gas leaves the earth, you dickhead.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Gas leaves the earth. How do you think there's like carbon?
Okay, but what he's saying, if it's a vacuum, then we'd all be gone. Like.
Yeah. So what you're telling me is, if the sky was a vacuum for space meant being, it would all be dead. Yeah, it's your religion. I keep telling you.
How is that religion though?
Because you just believe that the sky is a vacuum. You haven't been there, and if it was a vacuum, you'd be dead. We'd have no gas to breathe.
So you're saying that everyone's lying, like.
No, I'm telling you that it's a religion that came from the Roman Catholic Church about 500 years ago, based on measurements of a flat Earth.
Oh, you're a flat earther.
Well, you can call me that if you want. The Earth's measured flat to give you your religion of a ball in a sky vacuum. That's what the Roman Catholic Church used, flat Earth measurements. To give you your religion that you didn't know you had till a minute ago.
I'm
so confused. So, would you believe in space?
I don't believe in anything.
Would you believe?
Wait, so would you think? So,
like, if you had to say, like, oh, what's right and wrong, or like, what do you think is actually true?
I just know I know what the measurements are. Earth's measured flat, and space is fake. I don't know what the sky is though. If you were asking me what's the sky, I don't know.
Come on, man. But what about all the the space expeditions, all recorded, everything?
All fake.
No way, you really think that's all fake?
Well, you tell me. If the sky was a vacuum, and it would take all the gas you're breathing, do you think that would be a place you could travel through? If the rockets can go through the vacuum, so would all the gas.
But I learned that gravity keeps all that gas in, though.
No, gravity in your teaching at school was a force of down, right?
Yeah.
Which way is gas going?
Everywhere.
Coming from the ground, like water. The cycle they also taught you was the water cycle, right? So the water, droplets of water come down, they evaporate from the ground and go down with gravity to the clouds.
Okay, but you say a rocket just pushes through the. Well, I don't know, man. I don't know.
It's just your religion. It's okay. I'm not going to like insult you because you were taught in science. This was stuff you were taught in science, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So it's not unreasonable for you to believe this, right? Because you were told it was true. That's how they got you to be in a religion without you knowing, because they just told you it was science, didn't they? So it's not your fault. Why would you know? You wouldn't. They don't feel like, oh God, how was I duped? They taught it you like it was real in science. So of course you're going to think it's true. It isn't.
So what? So you're a scientist or something?
No, this isn't a scientific category, really. It's a measurement sort of category.
Yeah, you're a YouTuber.
Science establishes the cause of phenomena.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now, making YouTube videos. That's where you'll be.
No, wait. Wait, how many followers? Wait, how many subscribers you got? What's your channel?
26,000, and it's Nathan Oakley 1980.
Nathan.
Nathan Oakley 1980.
Oh, that's you.
So you'll get to see the joy of realization when you realize that you've been lied to. The sky vacuum's not real, and the Earth's measured flat.
I don't even know. I don't even know what both of you are talking about. This is too like big brain power for me.
No, I understand. I understand where it's coming from, but like, I still think like there's enough facts, you know, to.
Cool.
Saying, like,
do you want to give us a couple?
I mean, facts is in like proof, like evidence, like video footage, you know.
From the sky vacuum, right?
Yeah.
So a place that can't possibly be real is where the footage is coming from, yeah?
Well, how do you know it's not real?
Because the gas you're breathing would fill that space.
I say we ask ChatGPT. Let's see what Chat says.
Well, you can ask ChatGPT. I'll just tell you what the law of nature is. It's called the second law of thermodynamics. Gas fills space, hot goes to cold. Again, you'd have been taught this in school. It's a law of nature.
Why does the gases on Earth not get vacuumed out into space? The gases on Earth do not get vacuumed out of space primarily due to the force of gravity, what I said. Atmospheric pressure and density. The atmosphere is densest near the Earth's surface and becomes thinner as you go higher. Makes sense. Molecular speed versus escape velocity, temp and retention, magnetic field. Still says gravity there.
Yeah, so gravity would be it going down then, yeah?
You went smarter than AI.
So you've given me the same answer already. You were smarter than AI. That was your answer. So gravity is stuff going down, yeah?
Yeah.
And gas goes which way?
Up.
You see, the problem is, when they teach you stuff in science, they're going to have control of ChatGPT too, aren't they? But there's a law of nature. Gas fills space. It's the second law of thermodynamics, regardless of what ChatGPT say. Gravity's going down, and the gas is going which way?
Gas goes everywhere. It goes in all sorts of different directions.
Yeah, gas fills space. It's a law of nature. So it would fill the space that you thought the sky was with men in suits and rockets and stuff. That's where the gas would go.
So what? You believe in the Earth is flat, yeah?
That's how it's measured.
Okay. So how come we don't like? So what? You think they're hiding the edge from us or something? If the Earth is flat, like.
Good evening, Joshua. I think about all kinds of things.
What?
Siri knows you're doing something you shouldn't be.
How can she hear me? Anyways, so it's okay. Let's new topic. You think the Earth is flat?
That's how it's measured. I keep telling you that. It's not that I think it is or believe it is. That's how it's measured.
Okay, so the Earth is flat. So like, what do you think? Like, is that the edge of Earth?
I've no idea. Flat's not a shape to have an edge. It's just an aspect that we use to measure things. So, for instance, to create the ball that they taught you in science, they measure Polaris with flat Earth angles to it, and then wrap those around a ball to give you the belief that you're on a ball. But the measurements that give you the ball are flat. They're angles to stars.
So what? You actually think the Earth is flat, though, right?
No. Keep telling you. That's how it's measured.
The measurement, right? But let's say you walked let's say there was like no ocean, and you walked from like the UK to like America, right, in a straight line. Would it be exactly what the kilometers say on like a map, or would it be longer because of the curve?
That's a good point.
That's a really good question. Now, I'm not a cartographer, and a lot of the distortions are in the maps because they're global projections. So to get to the maps, you measure the stars off a flat Earth, and then project those angles onto a ball. Then you wrap a cylinder around the ball and project the points on the ball onto the cylinder. Then you cut the cylinder down the middle and roll it out onto a flat map. That's how the maps get converted from flat angles to the stars to a ball to a flat map again. So there's distortions. So in terms of those distances, There's a lot of ambiguity in the maps. So bloody good question.
Okay. Okay, so also, when our astronauts go out to space, yeah? Okay. Come on, you can't say that's all fake.
So when the astronauts go out to an area of volume that gas could be filling, but apparently isn't. So let me get it right. They go past the high pressure gas and wave goodbye to high velocity particles that are going in all directions unless they collide with the container. And they go past that and they wave goodbye to the high pressure gas and then take pictures of it not expanding. Am I right in where they're going, right? Into an area that they're looking back on Earth with high pressure gas and clouds and a vacuum next to it? Is that what they're doing?
Okay, so all the video evidence and all the footage, you think that's all been made up?
Everything that they have said...
Even from the first expedition, you think that's all fake?
I know it is. It's all claimed to be taking place in an area that's equivalent to Narnia.
Nah.
Have you been to outer space, the sky vacuum, and waved goodbye to the high-pressure gas that we're breathing? Did you wave goodbye to the high-pressure gas and go into that place?
A couple of times, yeah, but...
Nah, it's just a belief.
wait, what was the word you said?
Religion?
Hetero something.
Heliocentrism.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your religion. I mean, you're entitled to your religion. If you want to believe you're on a ball flying around the sun in a sky vacuum, you're entitled to your belief. Everyone's entitled to their religion.
So you're just like kind of a guy that like basically trying to escape the Matrix, innit?
No, just a guy who knows how the ball that most people think they're standing on is actually measured to begin with.
Yeah, but like you're not letting the higher powers believe what they want you to believe.
No, you can believe whatever you want. Like I say, if you want to believe you're on a ball in a sky vacuum, then you're entitled to that belief. You're entitled to your religion.
You just come in here and tell people that they're wrong, and like they've got a religion they don't know about. Yeah,
for that moment when your face dropped, absolutely, that makes a really good YouTube video. My audience absolutely love that.
Nathan Oakley, 1980. Thank you.
Wait, no, hold on.
No, hold on. What the hell? Go on, mate. Go on.
Alright, so because you think the Earth flat measurement, whatever, right, and like space is a vacuum, what do you think would happen if you so according to what you're saying, right, everything you've said, what would happen if you just kept going up then? Where would you go?
I don't, that's a really good question. You two are smart, right? You've got exceptionally good questions. And the answer is I don't know. I don't know what the sky is. The same would be applied if you said, well, what's the moon then? If it's not a rock we can travel through a sky vacuum to get to, what is it? I'd give you the same answer. I don't know. I'm really sorry.
So you don't have a lot of answers, but like what you do know, you got facts to prove that.
I know Earth's measured flat, and I know there's not a sky vacuum called outer space.
Fair enough.
What's your names, lads? You're going to be on YouTube.
Ollie.
Joshua.
It's been an absolute pleasure. Smart couple of lads.
Thank you. Take it easy.
I'll see
myself on YouTube.
Yeah, you too.
Earth's flat, space is fake.